Hello students, I am Mrs. Ganga Ampure from Sant Tukaram National Model School, and in this video we are going to learn a poem, The Rainbow. The Rainbow is a poem. It is written by Christina Rossetti. And in this poem, she proves the superiority of natural things over the man-made things. According to the poet, natural things are more beautiful than the man-made things. And to prove this, she has given us examples of bridges, clouds, boats, ships, and the most important, that is the rainbow. And by comparing in between these things, she has proved the superiority of natural things or the beauty of natural things over the man-made things. So let us see how she explains the beauty of natural things, how she explains the superiority of natural things over the man-made things. In this poem there are two stanzas, and we are going to explain our first stanza in this video. So let us start our first stanza. First of all, we will read this stanza. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. See, what does the poet say? In the first stanza, she has given us examples of boats, ships, and the clouds. So let us see. Boats sail on the rivers. You can see these are the boats. These boats are sailing on the river. And when we see these boats which sail on the river, or when we see this scene, it looks very beautiful, it looks very prettier. Here, boats sail on the rivers. The meaning of sail is to move on a water or to float on a water. This is the meaning of the word sail. So boats are moving on a water, boats are sailing on the river, and boats are looking very beautiful. Second example she has given here is it is of ships. Ships sail on the seas. Once again, what is the meaning of sail? Meaning of the word sail is to move on a water or to float on a water. These ships are also sailing on the water, on the sea. These ships are also looking very beautiful. But according to the poet, she has said to us that the clouds which are sailing across the sky, when we look at these clouds, we can see that these clouds are sailing across the sky. These clouds are sailing in the sky. Sailing, once again I will tell you that the sailing means moving. So these clouds are sailing across the sky. They are moving across the sky. They are sailing in the sky. So poet says that boats and ships look very beautiful. But these boats and ships are sailing on the water. But these clouds are sailing across the sky. These clouds are sailing in the sky. That's why these clouds are more prettier than the boats and ships. In other words, poet has proved her point that natural things like clouds are more beautiful than the man-made things like boats and ships. So this is the first stanza of our poem, where she has proved the superiority of natural things over the man-made things by giving us examples of boats, ships, which are the man-made things, and the clouds, which are the natural things. She says that these natural things, that is the clouds, these are sailing in the sky. So these are more beautiful than the boats and the ships. I hope students you have understood the first stanza of our poem. Its next stanza we will take in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day.